Let's change the oil on our Honda HRN 2016 electric start self-propelled lawnmower. This is a brand new lawnmower to me. I just bought it this season. I think I'm just about at the 5 hours initial oil change. The on-off valve for your gas is right here. Up and down is off. This way it flows through, so that's on. So we want it off. Now the picture is right here. Should be no problem with that. Next thing I'm going to do, and this isn't in the instructions in the manual, is put a bag over here to shut off the vent right here so the gas won't flow through. I always like to do that. It's just an extra step. It's a good idea to undo the spark plug cap. Now, it's not going to go anyway because the handle has to be depressed. It's just an extra bit of security. I probably should have done that at the beginning. Call for removing the dipstick and dumping it into the oil pan. I'm just going to double check that I'm going to be in the right spot. That looks about right to me. So let's loosen the dipstick. And we're just going to go for it. And we wait. So now it's done draining, and we're just going to flip the lawnmower upright. There we go. We don't have a mess anywhere. And our oil looks really good. Now Honda's manual says 300 to 400 mil, and in my temperature area it says use 10W30. Now I have this beautiful graduated funnel, and so that would be approximately 12 ounces. Now I'm using synthetic 10W30. I got this at Walmart. So let's fill it up to the line, and then we'll dump it in. So you check Hondas by putting the dipstick in, but not screwing it down. I know it's hard for you to see, but it's just at the top of the cross hatching. So to run it, let's not forget to put our spark plug cap back on. Take our cap off, remove our bag. I don't have a lot of gas in it because I'm going to be putting it away soon. Turn our gas on.